Hi, this is Deepika from Desi Curly. Welcome to my channel, and I talk everything about curls. So if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about and review hair products from a brand called Best Life. Why this attracted me? Because it's pocket friendly, it's CG friendly, and they disclose complete ingredient list. Now this is kind of rare in India. We all know that. So when I'm free, I try to search for such products that are CG friendly and they disclose complete ingredient list that are pocket friendly as well. So one day the price dropped and I just bought them just like that. I was like, I want to try this. So these are the products I'm talking about. It's the Best Life Argan Nourish shampoo and Argan Nourish conditioner. And so let's start with the shampoo first. So first we have with us is the Best Life Argan Nourish shampoo. And it says it has essential fatty acids and it's hydrating, cleans and moisture balanced shampoo. Sounds good to me. And if you see the ingredient list, I'm going to put it here. If you see the ingredient list, it has no sulfates, no silicons, no mineral oil, nothing that can dry your hair or build up on your hair. So that's really good. Now coming on to the fragrance of this shampoo, I think it is supposed to smell fruity, but it smells like medicine and I hate that smell and it doesn't smell pleasant. So it's okay. It's not going to linger in your hair, so that can pass. Let's move on. So the texture and color, now the color is really orange. It's literally orange and transparent. Now coming on to the main part, the performance. So this lathers up really well with water and even the foam is really soft and creamy. And for me, it did clean all the oil and dandruff flakes and all the gunk, everything without leaving my hair stripped and squeaky clean and dry. So if you ask me, I will rate it around 4.5 out of 5. Not completely 5 because the fragrance was really like medicines. I didn't really like that, but it's okay. So I'm just deducting 0.5 out of 5. That's pretty good. This can be bought. Now coming on to the Best Life conditioner. So conditioners are life for curly girls, like literally life. So I'm always looking for conditioners that are CG friendly, silicone free especially, and pocket friendly that have nice slip and which are creamy and very conditioning. I really like that. So this one is called Best Life Argan Nourish Conditioner, Essential Fatty Acids, Detangled Smoothing. Ooh, this is amazing for curly girls. And it's daily moisture repair conditioner. Sounds good to me again. Now this is completely silicone free and mineral oil free like I told you, so it's not going to build up on your hair. Good. Coming on to the fragrance. Now this one smells extremely fruity, like Poppins. Have you ever tasted those candies that we used to eat when we were small? Those colorful candies called Poppins. It smells exactly like that. I really like the fragrance of this conditioner, and both the shampoo and conditioner have natural fragrance as labeled. Let me show you the texture of this one. The color is not really white like super white, it's off-white, it's peachish white. I really like the fact that it's really creamy and slippery. I really love the slip of this one. Now coming on to the performance of this conditioner. Now slip, if you ask me, 5 out of 5. Detangling, 5 out of 5. Fragrance is again 4 out of 5 I can say. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love to use conditioners as leave-in. The conditioners that are completely CG friendly. Now, how could I leave this one? So just yesterday I washed my hair with Best Life Argan Nourish shampoo and Argan Nourish conditioner and left this conditioner as leave-in, like a big coin-sized dollop. That is all what I left in my hair as leave-in, and this is the result. I have today refreshed with the same conditioner as leave-in, no gel, no cream, nothing, and I'm seriously enjoying it. The volume and definition, I don't expect definition with leave-in, but yes, I do get definition with leave-in as well. So the volume was really nice. My hair is looking huge and I'm loving it. So let me show you this video from yesterday when I used this conditioner as leave-in. I am loving the shine and the bounce in my hair. My hair was looking really healthy. And today when I refreshed my hair with this conditioner again, yes, you ask me, Deepika, shall we buy these two? I would say yes, definitely go for it. But if you have a really sensitive nose, then I don't think you are going to like the medicinal fragrance of this shampoo and the heavily fruity conditioner fragrance. But this doesn't linger in your hair if you wash it all off, rinse it all off. But if you are going to leave this conditioner as leave-in, it's going to linger just a bit in your hair, but that was really mild. It didn't bother my nose at least. Now the price, it's 549 rupees each for 250 ml of each of this product. Now that's a really good price considering that the brand has claimed that 95% of the ingredients are of natural origin. So 250 ml in rupees 549, it's a steal deal. I do think that, considering that the conditioner has really nice lip. Now where to buy them? I'll put the link in the description box below. Do check that. So that was all about Best Life Argan Nourish shampoo and conditioner from me. Have you used these products? How did you find them? Do let me know in the comment section below. Do let me know what you think of this video. Would you like to try these products? And whatever is your thought, I would really like to know. Whatever you want to see in the coming videos, do let me know. So till then, bye bye. Do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.